Just do the first one real quick here, okay? I really feel like it should be a little bit more water. Yeah, it just needs a little bit more milk.
Oh. Yeah, careful. Give her a second to eat.
No. Wait, sweetie. Okay, thank you very much for wanting to help. You gotta get.
She doesn't quite know how to eat yet. She's never eaten anything ever. Looks like she's enjoying it, huh?
I'm gonna get some more milk.
Do you like it, Annabelle? Oh, she looks like she likes it. Is that a yes? No. If you like it, blow raspberries. Oh, she's like, give me more. I want more in my mouth. Did you put real milk in there?
No.
Oh.
Careful, baby.
Careful, baby, please.
Get that here.
I
I didn't put more in there yet. Just a tiny bit, please.
What are you doing, Anna? Yeah? Are you eating some food?
Okay, way too much. I won't do that one again, okay? Alright, so you're supposed to teaspoon. Okay, so what you're going to do, baby, is you're just going to get her the tiniest amount. Okay, just the tiniest amount here. Can you reach that?
No, careful. Got a hand.
Just do the tiniest amount here. Who's got the spoon in her own hand? Oh my. Look, your sister's got more for you. Oh,
Well, she's eating it up, huh, guys?
she likes it, I think. Oh, she likes it a lot. Is that good? Is it? I'm trying, baby. I'm trying. Hold on. She's got the spoon in good grips there.
She likes it.
A little too far in here. You like it? You're doing great, Abigail. Thank you very much for helping.
Like it, baby. Hey, you got that cookie.
You want to have that back, please? May I have that spoon back, please? May I have that spoon back, please? May I have that spoon back, please? Look what Sissy's got for you.
First non-booby ever.
Yay, you're doing so well. A bit more?
How about this one?
That's a little too much, yeah.
How about that one?
It's okay, that's good.
How about this one?
That looks like a little too much, Pumpkin. A little bit too much. There you go, that's good, yeah. She likes it.
Wait, no.
You spoon stealer. How you doing? You liking it? You liking it? Is it good? Did you like more? Yeah, you want more?
Yeah, more now.
A couple of pictures here too.